what you want to do. Just go, just touch at the place and
Yeah, always,
it's nice, beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it.
Trust in me, we going God mode, the theory's proven. Light 'em up, beat me up, the only GOAT, the genius one. They switching sides, I seen it coming, the plot twist.
I woke up to the preacher man just to pick your lovely hand and give to you. I give to you. And I woke up to the preacher man just to pick your lovely hand and give to you. I give to you. And
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. We're out here once again doing what we truly love, enjoying the ride. But let me tell you, even in the crosswalk, it's wild out here. Drivers are distracted, rushing and acting like we're supposed to yield to them at this point. I feel like I've got to protect myself and my man, who, by the way, swears he feels 35 again. Out here cruising on his electric mountain bike like it's his second youth. The last thing we need is some drunk driver drifting into the bike lane, cutting us off. But hey, these bones still got rhythm. We can hit the electric slide and crank that Soulja Boy. Enough said, let's just enjoy the ride. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Yo, yeah, it's White Tizzy, back again, billing it, however long it takes, man, I'll still be here, you know what I'm saying? Yo, new year, new money, but it's the same old me. Need the yard that don't come cheap before I get 8 gold teeth. They wanna play with sticks and stones, I'm calling them Jamie T. Up chasing coins like Sonic, could trust me, they don't sleep. Play my songs out of whip, she said keep that shit on repeat. Gotta calculate steps, I gotta take a step back and breathe. Life got busy, I turned 18, moved out.
Yeah. She got me in the groove, got me dancing, y'all. Doing stuff.
Like big as a motorcycle.
No, right here.
Electric bike?
Yeah, it's really nice. We don't ride them all the time. We have scooters, so we used to ride them.
This thing though, you taking this up the mountain or what?
I need to.
Those tires, dude. What's the range you get on this?
Not 50 miles. Wow. Yeah, and, you know, it depends on your weight, you know, hills or whatever. Yeah.
How does it do up the hill?
Really good.
Pedal assist, right?
Yeah.
So you go and you add the gas.
The pedal assist goes all the way up to 7, you know, hard pedal to easy going and stuff.
That's cool. This is like kind of good to go in downtown or somewhere like, you know, want to explore or you know, good trail.
Yeah, we go on trails here and we're trying to find new places to go.
Yeah.
We took them to Long Beach.
Ooh. How was that?
No,
How long? I've been to Long Beach, but I've never actually gone to the beach area. You know, you drive by it and see it.
yeah,
How does it look?
very nice, you know, close to the water and stuff. Yeah.
Did you do the sand too? How does it do in sand?
You know, I haven't put it in sand, but I'm sure it's good. I need to replace the stock tires because my tires was like hers, as a stock tires.
Yeah.
And
We replaced it.
I had, because mine's go out at about 1,100 miles.
Wow.
Yeah, that was pretty bad. It went fall, but I got these north. 45, what it is, 45 north?
Yeah.
Yes, I paid a pretty penny for these, and they've been holding up really good. And really bright.
How long you had this?
2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah, got 2,000 miles on it.
Jeez. Oh, right. That's cool. I've been thinking about getting one. haven't pulled the trigger yet. I'm not sure what kind I want.
Yeah, you know, there's a lot to choose from. And you know, like I said, once you go out and get that bike like I did 2 years ago,
Yeah.
well, everybody's starting to come out with bikes. Cheaper and the torque. So mine doesn't have a lot of torque, or either I've got used to it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we got some that take off and
Get to explore. That's awesome.
oh yeah, we were over in Willow Creek, close to the 49ers truck station.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we back over that way, 7-Eleven, AM. So, over here, nice breeze, man.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Well, summer's just now over, so it's going to be good weather.
Yeah, we got this 360 here, Insta 360 X5,
Oh, that's cool.
and you know, of course, it picks up everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
There's a lot of crazy folks out there, you know, cut us off, or people try to ride us side by side, like, man, if they go down, get too close to us. Yeah, it's good to have.
I want to get one of these one day.
Yeah, really nice.
Sounds like fun, you know what I mean? It just some people are like on the weekend or
Oh yeah,
enjoy nature.
yeah. There's a lot to choose from. Yeah. We got a side rusher here.
What are they
We call
called?
it side rusher.
Side rusher.
Side rusher.
It's an XL 900, it's a motor. But now, I don't know if you can find these now, so but they own a lot of newer bikes.
Pretty heavy to throw it in the car.
Yeah,
You know, because if you want to
Too
check
bad. SUV, truck.
Yeah.
We pack them up in our truck sometimes and go to the bay.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's what
yeah.
I do.
Oh, yeah.
You can explore so much over there.
Yes, it's fun.
We love it. So that's going to be our next trip, I guess, to go back over there again. It's been a while. So we're going to try to get some better footage.
Oh, man. Also go along the Fruity Bridge.
Oh yeah, we went over to Sausalito, had lunch.
Oh,
we took
Sausalito's
the ferry
awesome.
back.
Take a ferry back.
Yeah, just to
Oh, yeah. The ferry will let you have a bike in there? Well, they didn't let him, I forgot, too, the ferry a while ago. Well, they let him, us have pets in there.
huh?
Well,
Oh.
can we bring our pets in there? The ferry?
I don't know. I don't
I
remember
didn't,
pets.
yeah, I'm
I
not
don't know.
sure. I know we was on there. We didn't see any pets at the
But I
time.
don't know.
But yeah, that's something to think about. Check into that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, you guys enjoy, man.
All
Yeah.
right,
To see
thank
this.
you.
Right.
Absolutely.
Great adventure, man.
Sometimes you gotta pray for a victory. Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been tested so much, all these restless nights, all these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory, you gotta press the brakes. I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best and my worst days. Proud of all my feet when I touch the ground. Front of 8 at Beijing, man, they know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know me then, but I'm hot now. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. Life been bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. I'm faced with a lot of different choices these days. Do a rock and roll next account of Blueface. The whole world know my name off a mixtape. I still got the same brother since 6th grade. G-Wagon red seats, we on Biscayne. Trips to the Florida Keys, we imported these. Thanking God for the life he afforded me. All this jewelry on my body, I could light the hood. I need a brown skinned chick just like Megan Good. Holding up every promise that I ever made. Music in the background, it's a serenade. Been rapping 10 years, boy, this ain't a phase. I paid dues, paid rent, and I stayed the same. I had teardrops running down my face. I've been through a lot, I had real pain. But thank God, cause we really on a better days. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. Life been bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. It's a life without sacrifice.
Oh, you meant to go in the gravel like that?